Hi students, a warm welcome to KISM classes. Today we will discuss the chapter probability. This is one of the very important chapters as far as the JEE is concerned. In advance, you will find at least two questions, one in each paper, and also you will find some questions in mains also. Now we will discuss one problem. Two numbers b comma c are chosen at random with replacement from the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Probability that x square plus bx plus c greater than 0 for all x belongs to all x. We will discuss the solution. N of s, where s is the sample space, that is the set of all the possible outcomes. Here there are 9 numbers. B and C both are chosen from these numbers. B can be chosen from these 9 numbers. That means one number must be assigned to B. That can be chosen in 9C1 ways or in 9 ways. You can also write 9C1. Now here B and C are chosen at random with replacement. So again the number that has been assigned to B will be again taken into the correction. Therefore there are 9 numbers again. So C can also be chosen in 9C1 ways. This is 9 into 9, 81. Now the favorable event E. E is the favorable event such that here x square plus bx plus c must be greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. For this I will write a formula here. If fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, comma, a not equal to 0, be a quadratic expression, then a and fx have same signs for all x belongs to R if delta is equal to b square minus 4ac less than 0. Here the a is the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1 positive and the expression is also positive. Both are having same signs. It must be true for all x belongs to R. By that formula here delta must be less than 0. That means b square minus 4ac must be less than 0. Now we have to choose the numbers b and c from this collection in such a manner that it must satisfy b square minus 4c is less than 0. So let us consider here, suppose b is equal to 1. Then the possible chances for c. So if b is 1, this is 1. If c is equal to 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. So minus 3. C can be 2. C can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So totally 9 chances. If B equal to 2, then C can be. B2 means this is 4. If you take 1, 4 minus 4 will become 0. Here there is no equality. So C should not be 1. So for C, it is 2, 3 and so on, 9. So 8 chances. For B equal to 3, C can be. This is 9. If C is 3, it is 12. 9 minus 12, minus 3. 4, 5 and so on, 9. These are 7 chances. If B is equal to 4, it will become 16. If you take 4, it will become 0. So it will start from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So only 5 chances. If you take B equal to 5, then C is B equal to 5, 25. C here 25 means it must be more than 25. So C can be 7, 8 and 9. Only 3 chances. And if B equal to 6, this will become 36. Even if you place C is equal to 9, it will become 6. So if you take B equal 6, no possibility, no possible chance for C. No possible chance for C. Even for 7, 8 also. So we'll write for B equal to 6, 7, 8 and 9. No possible chances for C. And therefore, N of E is equal to sum of all these. 9 plus 8, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 5, 29 plus 3, 32. So these are the favorable chances. Probability P of E, 32 by 81. So this is the probability. The second option is correct. The second problem is, let omega be a complex cube root of unity with omega not equal to 1. A failed die is thrown 3 times. If R1, R2, R3 are the numbers obtained on the die, then the probability that omega power R1 plus omega power R2 plus omega power R3 equal 0 is. These are the options. It is given that omega is the complex cube root of unity. Actually, the cube roots of unity are 1 comma omega square. The properties are 1 plus omega square equal to 0 and omega cube equal to 1. Now a failed die is thrown. A die will have the numbers from 1 to 6. So in every chance you will find 6 outcomes. Any one of the 6 outcomes. It has been thrown for 3 times. So the number of possible outcomes are 6 into 6 into 6. That is 6 cube. You can write otherwise 216. Now the R1, R2, R3 are the numbers obtained on the die such that omega power R1 plus omega power R2 plus omega power R3 equal 0. Here it is said that 1 plus omega square equals 0. Among these 3 numbers R1 and R2 and R3, one must be a multiple of 3. One must leave the remainder as 1 when it is divided by 3 and the other must leave the remainder as 2 when it is divided by 3. So here for this purpose, if I consider R1 which is a multiple of 3, so R1 can be either 3 or 6. The chances for R1 is 3, 6. For R2, it is the number which will leave the remainder as 1 when it is divided by 3. That is 1 and 4. R3. It is the number which will leave the remainder as a 2 when it is divided by 3. 2 comma 5. So here with these numbers you can prepare different combinations. 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 5 like that. So you will find 2, 2, 2. So here N of E is equal to, in every case 2 chances are there, 2 into 2 into 2. It is not necessary for R1 to be a multiple of 3. R1 can be a number which will leave the remainder as 1 when it is divided by 3. So R1 will be here, R2 will be here like that. So it can be arranged. So into factor. Now P of E is equal to 8 into 6 by N of E by N of S. N of S is 216. So this is 36. This is 4 2s and 4 9s. This is 2 by 9. The answer is 2 by 9. This is given in the advance, JEE advance 2013. The next problem is 3 dice are thrown. Probability of getting a sum which is a perfect square is. Now here the solution, 3 dice are thrown. 3 dice are thrown means N of S is equal to 6 cube because each die will have 6 possible outcomes. So N of S equals 6 cube. Probability of getting a sum which is a perfect square. Event of getting sum of the numbers on the dice must be a perfect square. Must be a perfect square. Here 3 dice are thrown. The minimum sum is the minimum sum is 3 because if each die shows 1 like that on each die, so the sum of those three numbers is 3. Like that, this maximum sum is 18. Between 3 and 18, we must choose the perfect squares. So the perfect squares are 4, 9, 16. So now we have to find out the possible chances or favorable chances to get the sum as either 4 or 9 or 16. Now getting the sum as 4. So sum 4 means there are so many possibilities. Here 1, 1, 2 or otherwise 1, 1, 2 can be obtained. These can be arranged 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1 like that. So instead of doing like this, here n of e is equal to coefficient of x to the power of 4 in, here the die will have 6 possible chances, 1 to 6, x power 1 plus x square plus x cube plus x power 4 plus x power 5 plus x power 6. So this is for one die, either 1 will come or 2 or 3 or 4 like that, only one number will appear. 3 dice are thrown, whole cube. Here the power indicates the number that is shown on the die or the number that appears on the die. Such a die is thrown for 3 times or 3 dice are thrown. So to get the 4, coefficient of x cube of 4 must be taken in this expansion plus coefficient of x power 9 in this expansion plus coefficient of x power 16 in the expansion. This is same as, it implies n of e equal to coefficient of, here I can take x as common. If I take x as common, x cube will come. So coefficient of x in 1 plus x square plus so on plus 1 plus, so I have taken x common because there being 3 as a power, x cube will come out. So deleting x cube, I am getting coefficient of x 1 plus x square plus so on plus x power 5 whole cube plus similarly again I will take x as common, x cube will come out, coefficient of x power 6 in the same expansion plus here again coefficient of x power 13 in this expansion. This can be written as coefficient of x in this. So coefficient of x in this can be written as 1 minus x power 6 by 1 minus x. You can apply the GP. Here only 6 terms are there. First term is a, r must be taken as the x. So a into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Okay, whole cube plus coefficient of x power 6 in 1 minus x power 6 by 1 minus x whole cube plus coefficient of x power 13 in the same expansion. This can be written as coefficient of x in 1 minus x power 6 whole cube into 1 minus x whole power minus 3 plus coefficient of x power 6 in the same expansion plus coefficient of x power 13 in the same expansion. Now, coefficient of x, here it will be 1 minus 3c1 into x power 6 like that. That is coefficient of, here coefficient of x. So 1 will multiply this one. So first term is 1. 1 will multiply the coefficient of x here. That means, otherwise I will write the expansion for a few terms. Coefficient of x in, this will be in the form of 1 minus 3c1 into x power 6 plus 3c2 into x power 12 minus 3c3 into x power 18 into 1 plus 3c1x plus here when there is a negative index you can write the difference is 2. The suffix is 1, the same as the power. If I write x square here, I can write c2, the difference is 2 here, I can write 4c2 plus 5c3 x cube plus so on up to infinity. So the plus coefficient of x power 6 in the same expansion plus coefficient of x power 13 in the same expansion. Now I will write 1 into coefficient 3c1 and next here there is no such chance plus next x power 6 coefficient 1 into x power 6. X power 6 means x cube means 3, x power 6 means c6, the difference must be 2, so 8c6 1 into 8c6 minus 3c1 into 1 minus 3c1 plus coefficient of x power 13, coefficient of x power 13 means 1 into 15c13 minus 3c1 into x power 7. X power 7 means 9c7. This is plus 3c2. This is x power 12 into x 3c1. So this will be the answer. This is 3. 8c6. 8 into 7 by 2. 28 minus 3 plus 15 into 14 by 2. 105 minus 3c1 3 9c7 9c2 9 into 8 by 2 36 108 plus 9. This can be taken as 25. This is minus 3 plus 6 minus 3 plus 9 6 9 9 plus 25 34. So this is n of e. Now p of e is equal to n of e by n of s. So 34 by 216, 17 by 108 is the answer. Here, none, the fourth option.